Techie. Your document looks so clean and organized.
How did you make it look like this?
Easy, Glee. I just used the power of selecting and styling text.
Really? Because when I opened my file, everything went messy again.
Then let's learn how to control your text, step by step.
Techie, why does everything turn blue when I drag the mouse? Did I break it?
Nope, blue means selected. It tells the computer, edit this part.
So first I select, then I fix?
Exactly. And a shortcut for selecting everything is Control+A and double-click for one word, triple-click for whole paragraph.
Triple click? That's awesome! Now that it's selected, how do I make it look better?
Use styles. Bold is strong, italic gives emphasis, and underline adds importance.
So for titles, I can make them big and bold?
Perfect. And try these shortcuts: Control+B to bold, Control+I to italic, Control+U to underline.
Techie, look! My document is clean and organized now.
Great work. And always remember, press Control+S to save your work.
Saves my creativity. Today, I learned how to select text and change its style.
And next time we'll learn cut, copy, and paste. Did you know? Bold text was invented by old newspapers who were basically screaming, "Look here," at readers.
See you in the next adventure, Tech Explorers. For tips and tricks, comment ebook to get yours. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon.